Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Have you ever wondered how to monitor your AWS costs effectively? It's a common challenge, but one that can be managed through the consistent use of tagging. But what does consistent tagging mean, and how can you achieve it? Let's dive in. Tagging in AWS is a way of categorizing your resources. These tags are simple labels composed of a key and a value, which can help you manage, identify, organize, search for, and filter resources. They're an essential tool for managing your AWS costs, as they allow you to track your usage and spend on a granular level. So, how do we ensure consistent tagging? The first step is to establish a tagging strategy. This involves deciding what information to include in your tags, such as the owner of a resource, the project it's associated with, or its stage in the development lifecycle. Consistency in a tagging strategy is crucial for effective cost management. Once you've established your tagging strategy, you can start applying it to your resources. However, manually tagging every single resource can be time-consuming and prone to errors. This is where automation comes in. AWS offers several tools to automate tagging. One of these is service control policies, or SCPs. SCPs allow you to set fine-grained permissions for your AWS accounts, including enforcing your tagging strategy. Another tool is tag policies. These allow you to define rules for how tags can be used on resources in your AWS accounts. If a resource doesn't comply with a tag policy, AWS will flag it as non-compliant, allowing you to easily identify and rectify the issue. But there's more. There's also a concept of default underscore tags in the Terraform AWS provider. This allows you to set default tags at the provider level. All resources created by the provider will then inherit these tags by default, making your code more concise and reducing the risk of omitting tags. In addition to these AWS native tools, third-party tools like Terraform-compliance.com can be used to enforce tagging. These tools integrate with your infrastructure as code workflows, ensuring that all resources are tagged according to your strategy, even before they're created. To summarize, consistent tagging on AWS is a two-step process. First, establish a clear and consistent tagging strategy. Second, automate the application of your tags using tools like SCPs, tag policies, default underscore tags in the Terraform AWS provider, and third-party tools like Terraform-compliance.com. By following these steps, you can ensure that your AWS resources are consistently tagged, allowing you to effectively manage and monitor your AWS costs. Remember, consistent tagging is not just about organization, it's an essential tool for cost management on AWS.